How to insert and add bookmark on Google Docs document on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is just so simple. Just follow with me until the end. First thing you have to do is just go to the top right here, click on insert. After you click on insert, you will find many options right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple. Go down until you find the bookmark option. Now click on bookmark, and here you go. Now you have the bookmark right here on this page. And yeah, if you want to delete it, click here. If you want to copy it, click here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.